I'm just a lonely boy, lonely and blue. I'm all alone with nothing to do except watch this pole. I'm the only one on the pier. I didn't hear something. Starting to get a bite. I can show you this. Oh, see that line? See that line? See that line? I guess I better. I got it. I'm going to set the camera down. I know you can't see nothing, but I got a fish on. Not bad. Not a bad fish. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? I don't know what he is, to tell you the truth. He's a good one. Oh yeah. Probably a stingray, I think. Or a big sail cat. Oh, he's a big sail cat. Big old sail cat. I was hoping for well, a shark or something, but I'll take the hook out and throw it up one more time. Anyway, he's company.